In this video, we will be telling about how to create new Phonepe account. For this, first what we need to do is install Phonepe application from Google Play Store or App Store. After installing application, open Phonepe application. When you are opening for the first time, you can see an interface like this. First, you will be asked to enter your phone number. I am entering my phone number. After entering your phone number, you will reach a new page like this. You will receive one OTP. You should enter that OTP here. After entering OTP, click continue. In my phone, that OTP was filled automatically. After that, you can see a page like this. First, you need to give location permission. It's better to select while using the app. So I am selecting this. After that, you will be asked to give contact permission. Click allow. Then you should give phone call permission. Click allow. And after that, you should give message permission also. Again, click allow. Now Phonepe application is opened. One important thing you should notice that the phone number which you are giving here should be linked with your bank account. If that is linked with the bank account, your account will be added automatically. If it is not added, what you need to do is, above you can see profile button, click on this profile button. Here you can see payment methods. In payment methods, you can see one option add bank account. Click on add bank account. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to select a bank linked with the number which you are given. In my case, it is SBI account. I am selecting SBI account. When you are selecting that, you can see finding account. Within few seconds, your account details will be shown here. You don't need to enter details like your account number, IFSC code separately. It will be done automatically. Only thing you should notice that the number which you have given in Phonepe should be linked with your bank account. So my every details is given here. Down here you can see done button. Click on done button. Now everything is completed. Now if you want to send money, you can send money, or if you want to receive money, you can receive money. To send money, you can see option to mobile number, or if you want to send money to bank account, you can see to bank. Or if you want to scan QR code, above you can see QR code scanning option. Click on this option. When you are clicking for first time, you will be asked to give camera permission. Click on while using the app. Now your camera app will be opened, and using this you can scan QR code. Anyways, this way you can create new Phonepe account in your smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.